This is on I-30 eastbound, just past exit 126 in Alexander, Arkansas. You can see that this guardrail post is damaged, not probably connected properly. Not sure what caused the damage. It's possible that this could also be a Frankenstein guardrail, although I don't know that for sure. But this guardrail most likely is not going to function properly when it is struck again. Again, it's on I-30 eastbound, just past exit 126 in Alexander, Arkansas.